Welcome, and those that may be interested in learning about the Python Algo trading course, Infrastructure Building Blocks. This was created about a year ago, and just wanted to piece this together for people that would be interested in understanding a primitive, algorithmic, automated, systematic trading system, all done in Python. The idea of this course is to give you and introduce you to all the pieces that are available to accomplish that. Now, one of the confusing parts when I started learning Python was the different paths of the versions to go to choose. So there was the 3.x and the 2.7. I purposely have stuck with 2.7 for now to avoid any potential conflicts that you may have, and eases your chances of increasing your success in building out these platforms. So the first thing, when you do get an account and register, you'll be taken to a dashboard here, and you'll see a video, a training video, which is pretty well this one. A couple of notes on the courses. And then of course we've got the main course right here. Now, just so you know, I do a quant finance meetup group in Toronto. I also maintain a Facebook group that focuses on programming. If you're interested in that, I'll post this in here as well, and all my social media. Okay, so let's get into the course. So if you come under here, under building blocks, basically how it works is when you first log in, this is your first login access point, and basically you'll just start off with a green check. So if you open that up, what'll happen is it'll load the content up, allow you to go through the video content, consume it. There's going to be some content there you can download as well. So there's lots of introductory videos here. So you just go to the next unit. Sometimes here I'll show you what you need to do in the first unit, but this is the first unit. But what you need to do to move to the next unit is you need to complete the unit and mark it off for completion. So I'll show you that in the next unit. This has already been done in the first unit. So if you go to the next unit, which is course unit number 2, so we started here in unit 1, now we're moving to unit 2. So you can see here, this has not been enabled, and there's a reason for that. What you do in unit 2 here is we're now in Python for Algos and automated trading. So that's the name of the unit. So again, you got more content that you consume, and then, as I said earlier, you have to mark off the unit as completed at the bottom of each unit. So essentially you'll see that this little check mark is not enabled, but once you press mark is completed, it now enables you to move to the next unit. So if I do a refresh on the list here of units, you'll notice that it's been marked off, so you can now advance to the next unit, which is here. So that's pretty well how you navigate the units, as well as, let me just give you some introduction. So in each unit you'll get a bunch of videos. Usually there was a playback of a live event that we had when we did this course live. So you should find the playbacks here in some units. But overall, there's a lot of content here, and that will introduce you to Python and all the different course material. So as you can see here, we get some introduction and the rationale, how to set up your environment. Basically, we move into why Python and the different resource and environments that you'll use. And then we go into the database talk, where we use Mongo or Redis as well. Also here, basically we're using MongoDB, NoSQL, and why NoSQL versus relational databases. Then we have a section on Redis. Then we have an interface with how to interface with your broker, Interactive Brokers TWS with Python. Market data sources, which are obviously free, including Yahoo Finance. Then we move into all the different available charting packages and visualization packages. Talk about PyQtChart, Matplotlib, and then we kind of move into the GUI component as well. This can be a bit of an issue. For me, I am introducing it to you, but I've heard people have struggled here as part of Python. In my case, because I'm on a Mac, I'll be using Swift and Xcode as my front end. So that's what I'll be doing. But for those that do want to explore the different front end options with Python, you can go to and consume that unit as well. So that's pretty well it. So it includes all the important parts outside of obviously your strategies. And again, it's using 2.7. So hopefully this video will help you out, and let me know what you think. Okay, I'll talk to you later. Bye.